All right, this is a description of the online literature circle and chat room discussions. It seems like these first videos are just describing stuff, but that's what it is. The lit review, as you can see, it's based on a book by Harvey Daniels. There it is. The goal is for you to interact with other students and the content found in the assigned readings. After specific reading assignments, you'll meet in groups of 4 in a designated chat room, and I hope to get those up to notify you of your chat room groups. Chat room occurs simultaneously. That means that you'll need to find about a 45-minute block in which you are all available so that you can meet at the same time to chat. So you will have chat room groups that have your names on it, but I'll also have discussion groups as well. So you would go to your discussion group, leave notes there until you can all find a particular time to meet. Now, some of you in my class have done this and you know what the score is. All right. I do check in on all chat room discussions, definitely during the semester, but as well after the semester. I read every word of every discussion. So you can't check out there. You'll need to show up for your discussion having read the material and be able to add substantive comments to the discussion. Right, so I can tell the difference. So please show up to your chat room. I shouldn't say please. If you want the full 10 points, make sure you have read the assignment, done your discussion role assignment, and are ready to go. Structure is created by assigning roles. Roles should be changed after every literature circle. Since 2 of the roles are mandatory, the other people have their choice. Only 1 role per person for each discussion. So even though I have 9 or 10 roles, these are the only 2 that have to occur every week. Discussion director, your job is to develop 3 to 5 questions to keep the conversation going. You're in charge there. Keep people moving. Some sample questions are written there. And you can read this yourself. That's why I'm not reading it word for word for you. You can stop the video, or this is found on D2L as well. The exam writer. Your job is to design 3 questions that could be included on a course exam. These questions can be multiple choice, short answer, or essay. Keep in mind important concepts covered in the chapter or assigned reading. I may also select questions for use in our exam, so quiz your group. Grand conversation facilitator. Design 3 to 5 questions or conversation starter. These conversations could be related to lecture material, assigned readings, or any area related to learning, education, current events, human development, or humanity. Keep it interesting, keep it moving. Maybe there's something related to education in the news. Maybe there's something else happening that you feel is of import. This is pretty wide open. Applicator. Examine theories and ideas presented in the assigned readings. Find 2 specific applications. This is how I will use this in my future classroom, or this is how it can be used in a future classroom. Window washer. 2 ideas in the assigned reading that are clear. 2 ideas in the assigned reading that are fuzzy. There is no chapter 16 of the Johnson text. All right, so 2 points from the assigned reading that were very clear, 2 points that were fuzzy. Vocabulary enhancer. 2 interesting or important words from the chapter. Choose words that you may not know or words of which you have only partial knowledge. The goal is to enhance your group's understanding and knowledge of the word. For each word, define it such that a 6th grade student can understand. Use a simple definition that uses short, simple words. Do not simply copy and paste from a dictionary. All right? Simple definition and then put it in a sentence. Internet extender. Your job is to use the internet to enhance your group's knowledge or understanding of key ideas found in the assigned reading. Identify 2 or interesting or important topics, ideas. Go to the internet, do a search, add to what is written. Add new information to what is written. In your chat room, provide this information to your classroom. You're not doing a whole report. You're just going to find 2 bits of information to add to 2 ideas or topics. Personal connector. Find 2 or 3 ideas in the assigned reading that have some sort of personal connection to you or your experience. This is how I have experienced. This is what happened to me. This is how I see it. Describe how it manifests in your life, how it's connected to you, how it's related to what you might have known or experienced. And then the thinker. Your job is to find 2 ideas in the assigned reading. Tell us what you think about them. First, describe the idea, then your thoughts, your evaluation, extension, application, or analysis. What ideas or information might you find in the assigned reading? I'm sorry, that's a mistake. What ideas or information might you agree with or disagree with those found in the assigned readings? I'll clean that up. All right, now here are the topics for the assigned literature chat room sessions. There are 9 of them. These can be done anytime during the semester. I would recommend doing them in alignment with our reading assignments, because the idea is you get into these, you get better knowledge of them, so you know the ideas and you'll do better on our exams. Chat room session number 1, you can do it anytime based on that. Chat room session number 2, based on those readings. Number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right? And I will be putting you in groups of 4 for this. At the end of the session, we have a different type of chat room related to your diversity field experience. That's totally different. But for now, remember, chat room, synchronicity. You'll have a discussion group with your chat room people in it and your chat room group. Use the discussion group to find a time in which all can show up and then meet in the chat room. If you have any questions, in D2L under discussion, there is a discussion section.